done its rack, and our headache rack. This weld, which was repaired in Tulsa a little over a month ago, has broken again. So, that needs to be addressed as soon as possible. Good thing I have this right here to secure some bungees around there. The one on the bottom is working fine, and the tray down here is working fine. No cracks or breaks in any of that on either side. Just this top one here has been a problem. All right, we are at our receiver this morning. Got ourselves checked in. Now we're getting ourselves unloaded. Got all our bungees off. Now we're going to untarp. Take the remove our straps. Get everything folded and put away. And who knows how long we're going to wait to get actually unloaded. Picked up. I bought 2 of these for myself. Bought one for my sister. They're not perfect, but for 30 bucks, I don't expect that. So here we are in Hogansville, Georgia. We brought a load back down from Carlisle. And camera 2 test. All right, just about 6:30 in the morning here at Hogansville, Georgia. We're just about ready to leave to make our delivery. And of course, let's make sure we're a little bit early. We only got about 50 miles to go to get to Columbus, Georgia for our delivery. Parking lot's a little tight, not severe, but depending on if they have other people parking in there and how they have their product laid out in the parking lot. There is enough room to turn around, but you still got to watch what you're doing. So we're going to go ahead and get rolling. We've done our pre-trip, checked all of our lights, our tires, 5th wheel connection, checked our oil and everything else. Your standard pre-trip. Truck's all warmed up and ready to roll. Our air tanks are full. Our load is still secure. And we got rain again today, which has been end of October into November has been nothing but rain for the most part. So we're going to get her rolling here.